In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. Replace Dubsado. We're going to build a simple but powerful client relationship hub right inside ClickUp using a ready-made template. This approach keeps everything in one place, speeds up onboarding, and helps you track leads, proposals, and projects without juggling multiple tools. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, then head to the space where you want your CRM to live. A space in ClickUp is like a top-level container for related work. Choose the one that already holds your client-facing tasks or the area where you want to centralize sales and pipeline activities. Next, open the space settings. You'll usually find this via the space name or a small settings icon next to it. If you don't see settings, you may need admin or owner permissions, so double check your access or ask your workspace admin to grant it. Inside the space settings, look for the Templates option and click Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which includes pre-built structures for common workflows. Using a template is the fastest way to stand up a CRM because it comes with lists, views, statuses, and fields already configured for lead management. In the template library, search for CRM. You'll see several options ranging from simple pipelines to more advanced sales setups. Click into a template to preview it. Pay attention to deal stages, statuses, and custom fields like deal value, lead source, and close date. Choose the template that matches your process best, whether you focus on consultations, proposals, or multi-stage sales cycles. When you've found the right fit, click Use Template. A setup window will guide you through where to place it in your space. You can usually decide whether to include example tasks, import custom fields, and apply views. If you prefer a clean start, deselect demo items and keep just the structure. If you're exploring, sample data can help you understand how everything connects before you add your own leads. To confirm your choices and begin the import, click Use Template again. ClickUp will create the lists, views, and fields in your chosen space. Once it finishes, you'll see your CRM ready to go, complete with pipeline stages and helpful views like list, board, or table. From here, you can rename lists to match your stages, adjust statuses to reflect your process, and start adding real leads. You now have a functional CRM in ClickUp that can replace separate tools and keep your sales workflow organized from first touch to closed deal.